Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Ember Spirit. Ember is a highly mobile and versatile hero, often played in the mid lane or as a carry. Your early game objective is to farm efficiently and gain experience. Use Flame Guard to protect yourself from magic damage and to secure ranged creeps. Remember to always be aware of your surroundings and potential ganks from enemy heroes. Ember's abilities synergize for powerful combos. Start with Flame Guard for protection and damage, then use Searing Chains to root enemies. Follow up with Sleight of Fist to hit multiple targets and apply your attack modifiers. Fire Remnant is crucial for both initiation and escape, allowing you to traverse the map quickly or burst down a single target. Mastering these combinations is key to success. Itemization is flexible but typically begins with a bottle and boots of travel for map control. Your primary damage items are Maelstrom, which provides Chain Lightning, and Daedalus for critical strikes. Depending on the game, you might build a Lincoln Sphere for spell immunity or a Battle Fury for increased farm speed. Select talents at levels 10, 15, 20, and 25 to complement your playstyle. In advanced play, map awareness and remnant management are paramount. Always have a remnant placed for a quick escape or to rejoin a fight. Initiate teamfights with Sleight of Fist, then use Searing Chains to lock down key targets. Focus on eliminating high-priority enemy heroes. Ember is also excellent at split pushing, forcing enemies to react and creating space for your team.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.